That's
On
what I'm
another
saying.
note, Jay-Z took his first L in court this week, man.
Has ruled the
Man,
woman alleging she was raped by
no,
Jay-Z and Sean
not
Diddy
my
Combs
boy
can
Jigga.
remain anonymous. The woman says both men raped her at a party when she was 13 years old.
It's
Jay-Z's
some
legal team had fought
bullshit.
to get the case dismissed, arguing his accuser should have to reveal her name. But the judge disagreed.
It's some
ABC's
bullshit.
Morgan Norwood has the latest.
A legal victory for the woman who is suing Jay-Z for allegedly raping her when she was 13. A federal judge ruling the woman can proceed with the case while remaining anonymous, at least for now. But the judge also chastising the lawyers representing Jay-Z, accusing them of trying to fast-track the judicial process by repeatedly filing motions to reveal the identity of the Jane Doe to have the case dismissed. The judge writing in a 5-page brief that the Carter's lawyers' relentless filing of combative motions containing inflammatory language and ad hominem attacks is inappropriate, a waste of judicial resources, and a tactic unlikely to benefit his client. The court will not fast-track the judicial process merely because the counsel demands it. This latest legal twist coming after the recently filed civil lawsuit by Jane Doe, claiming that Jay-Z, whose real name is Sean Carter, and P. Diddy, drugged and raped a 13-year-old girl at an after-party after the MTV Music Awards in 2000, while an unnamed celebrity watched. Jay-Z has vehemently denied all the allegations, putting out this statement 2 weeks ago, writing in part, "This is a blackmail attempt." The multi-platinum artist, who was 30 at the time, now a business mogul with decades of hits to his name, with songs like Run This Town.
Yeah.
This is Rock Nation. Pledge your allegiance.
His attorneys have denied everything about Jane Doe's account and pointed to some alleged inconsistencies in her story.
It's not just that this story is a lie and that it's not true. It's provably, demonstrably false. This never happened.
The judge writing that while Jane Doe can
Provably,
remain
baby.
anonymous for
Provably.
now, she may be required to reveal her identity at a later date to allow Jay-Z's lawyers to collect facts necessary to prepare for trial.
Oftentimes,
They gonna
when
have to
someone is
identify her.
accused of a crime like this, the accuser doesn't want to be named. And if they are forced to be named, we have seen certain people decide to drop the lawsuit altogether.
Morgan Norwood, thank you. And
yeah,
Tony
because
Busby, the lawyer representing
dropping a lawsuit
Jay-Z
'cause there ain't
and
no
Diddy's
merits to
accuser,
this
says
shit.
in a statement to ABC News, quote, "I will say that the coordinated and desperate efforts to attack me as counsel for alleged victims are falling flat. We won't be bullied or intimidated." And we did reach out to Jay-Z and his team, but did not get a response.
Yeah, man, the law say you have a right to face your accuser. You know what I'm saying? So how could I face somebody that's anonymous and I don't know who this person is? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's kind of some baloney right there. They saying the judge, I think she is like a Cuban, Mexican kind of Afro descent. So I'm thinking like that's cool, but she's saying like you can't rush the judicial process. So it's like I'm not trying to rush you. I'm just trying to tell you like where is this person merits? They have no merits. All they have is accusations. Look into the evidence, ma'am. I mean, you making me go through all this, get my name dragged through the mud, gonna take forever with the system, with what you're doing, because I have to wait for the judicial system when this some bull. I'm paying lawyers. I got stuff at stake here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, to me, the way the judge wrote her opinion, it seems like she was kind of biased. You know what I'm saying? Or it seems like she didn't really care for Jay-Z's lawyers. I guess she thought they were too straightforward and aggressive with what they submitted to her. So I don't know. I guess she probably took offense to that.
The judge took offense because they're like rushing the process, and I feel like she should understand the urgency of why the process is getting rushed. But at the same time, it's like, ma'am, just you're keeping this lady anonymous, so now I still can't know who my accusers are. But she could go parade herself to NBC journalists and stuff. It's like this: you're making a mockery out the case, and you're making a mockery out of me, and I take myself very serious. Like Jigga say, I'm not a businessman. I am a businessman. It's like you're not letting him handle his business. Damn.
Nah, for real, I thought it was a for sure dismissal though because of the inconsistencies in her story. But
I'm saying,
yeah, what do I know? You know what I'm saying? The judge see different. So
they
I
want
mean,
to.
maybe it's some merit to the story. I don't know.
They want
Now,
to drag him. They want to drag him through the mud.
like they do all the black celebrities and
Exactly, but
people
it's
with
Jigga.
money, you
It's
know what I'm
like
saying?
we can't keep letting them do that to our black celebrities. This is Jigga. Thugger is like, damn, he young and thugging, and it's like, what's his name? Durkio is like, damn, he is young and thugging. Fulio and them, they still obviously they still was beefing, but it's like you doing this to Jigga, who old, established, and you talking about some rape from 24 years ago. Stop. This weird, man. This is getting weirder.
Nah, for real. Like Dro said, what a little girl's parents. Why the hell was she what? Oh, 5 hours away. Man, I don't even believe that. That sounds like
The
some
parents said,
bull. Yeah, the dad said he had no recollection of that.
man, the dad said he had no recollection. Her only credible witness that could substantiate the story supposedly passed. The person that drove her to the place passed. So the girl gonna drive you there, 5 hours away, and drop you off. She ain't gonna linger around, wait for you. She's gonna drop you off. I mean, come on,
Exactly.
like you said, the judge should have dismissed this because of all these inconsistencies, and it just don't make sense.
Exactly. That's
They even
crazy.
said they even got a timeline established. His lawyer Alex Spiro, whatever they call him, got a timeline that said they didn't even go to this place that the lady said she went to. There's no houses in Manhattan. You went to a house in Manhattan, like everybody knows brownstones and stuff there. So it's some bull, man.
Yeah, but moving on from Jay-Z, this looks like it's gonna be in the works for a minute, so we'll keep
Yeah.
y'all updated on that. But